Hey guys, how are you doing? This is my first video after some time off. I was on vacation, visited my parents, and just got back. So here we go. I'm making a new video to show you guys. So I wanted to make this video because I was trying out for the second time actually one of those super cool neon pink micas that I got from Mad Mica. And today I just wanted to kind of mix it up with some other colors. I didn't really plan this soap. It was kind of like spur of the moment. And I thought that, if I mix it with titanium dioxide, I would make a pastel pink and just mix it with some other colors. So yeah, so I didn't have a specific plan for this soap. I kind of just went with the flow, as you can see. And I have to apologize for my ugly containers. You're seeing my ugliest containers. And that is because at the moment in Bocas, we actually have a water problem. There's some damage with the water distribution system that, the system that distributes um, drinking water, I mean, just regular water from the main pond to all the homes in Bocas. And so sometimes during the day we don't have water to clean our dishes, hence the ugly pots and bowls. So, yeah, apologies for that, but that's just the price we pay for living in the Caribbean. So, I decided to fragrance this bar with coconut, fresh coconut. And my pink is a little stronger than I intended it to be. I actually wanted it to be a bit more pastel, but it's okay. It's still nice, a little bit bright, but it still fits well with the other colors. The other colors are not new. It's just stuff that I already had. But yeah, I just wanted to mix them together and see what it would be like. The technique I'm using today is not my own. It's something that I saw on a more seasoned soaper's YouTube channel. His channel is called uh, Clover Soapworks. I believe his name is Nathan. Really cool guy. He makes beautiful soaps, and I saw this technique on one of his videos, and so I tried to replicate it. It creates kind of a flower design. You just keep pouring in the middle of the soap. You put all your colors in one pot, and you just keep pouring in the middle line. And then once you're done pouring, you introduce a hanger and you just go down the middle once, and that's it. So you will see the result. Mine is not nearly as nice as the one, on Clover Soapworks. but but it was cool. I still like the result. So here's my very ugly hanger. Don't judge. So yeah, you just go the middle and then you come back up the side, and that's it. You don't make any other moves. And then, of course, you can swirl the top any way you like. Um, that's not my forte. I just kind of empty all my containers and kind of swirl away without any specific plan, as you can see. So yeah, I'm basically restocking our shop because going on vacation in December was probably not the best idea. It's one of our best-selling months, and well, it's just our first year of operation, so I didn't really know what to expect, but now I know better for next year. My next vacation will definitely not be in December, or I will have to make sure to restock properly before I leave. But yeah, here we go. So I'm just scraping out the leftovers of my container and trying to get all the colors in so I can get a really cute swirl on top of the soap. And here we go. I'm here with my chopstick swirling away. And I really do like this color, this pink color, even if it's a bit strong, but it goes very well with the blue and green. If I could change one thing, I would probably have eliminated the yellow and probably have replaced it with purple or something else. But as I said, it's still a nice soap, and you'll see the cuts in just a little bit. And here we go. So it's two loaves, but I'll just show you the first one. So as you can see, well, this is actually not the best bar I could show you. The ones in the back are a bit better, but it kind of creates like a flower type of pattern. The hanger in the middle makes it go down like in a spike at the bottom. And I'm pretty sure, I mean, mine is not nearly as nice as the one that I saw and tried to copy, but I'm pretty sure with some practice and maybe a fragrance that behaves a little better, I will be able to make improvements. As I said, don't judge. See, I'm the type of soap maker who never goes in with a plan. Like some soap makers will come in and they will have sketched out their soap on a whiteboard with all the colors and they know in advance what they're going to do. I'm the total opposite. I'm a complete mess. I arrive with, wanting to make soap, not knowing which colors I'm going to use, not knowing which, pouring style I'm going to use. I just go in totally freestyle. And sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But in this case, I would say um, I'm pretty satisfied. Not too bad. What do you guys think? Let me know.